Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting immediate access. Enable Bluetooth on your phone and open the companion app. You do this because a live connection gives location and sound controls. Once done, check pairing history and last seen time to narrow the search window. If the earbuds aren't paired, place them in pairing mode to force a reconnection attempt. This can reveal proximity. Make sure the case has power briefly so the earbuds can broadcast. Without power, they won't respond. You now focus the search using the app's tools. Check the map for last seen pins and note timestamps because that tells you direction to start. If within Bluetooth range, play a sound, listen for pings and sweep slow arcs. Your motion helps detect direction as the sound gets louder. Once ringing, move methodically. Pause, listen, step left or right to see signal changes. If the app shows signal strength bars, use them like a compass and close distance until you locate the case or earbud. You finish by physically checking common hideouts. Clothing, soft furniture seams under car seats and inside bags, move slowly and use a light. If the earbuds are off or battery dead, use the last known location from the app and retrace your route within that time window. This often narrows it down. If you still can't find them, reset the earbuds and enable lost mode or notifications so you'll get alerts when they reconnect. If all else fails, contact manufacturer support for serial-based help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.